a hot air balloon drifting free over the mountains and the sea. Slow and steady I float with care, taking in the views from up in the air.
I'm a drone so small and quick, zooming around I do my trick, taking photos, delivering too, flying high with a bird's eye view.
Now it's time to say goodbye. Thanks for soaring through the sky, flying vehicles big and small.
We had fun, we loved it all.